Hi friends, I'm your friend Rani Subramanian. Once again, welcome back to Kesaria Textile Manufacturers. I hope all are safe and doing great. From the past week, I was showing to you ready-made cotton blouses and the cotton sarees. So premium cotton sarees we have seen. We have seen the digital printed and motif printed, Madhubani printed. Cotton varieties are one of the fast-moving Tamil Nadu, Andhra, Telangana, Kerala, Karnataka. So today, based on the customer's requirement and the resellers, dealers, wholesalers, businesswomen, entrepreneurs, I want to just share you to perfect look every woman expects the cotton blouses and the fast-moving. If I talk about the business, especially for the resellers, so many cotton sarees we have seen. So let me tell you today, I'm going to show you the cotton blouse material also, which we have a unique design and color printed. So I just want to tell you, please subscribe the channel and quickly these collections, you please place bulk an order and I can see the collections which are priced around only 55 rupees to 100 rupees of latest trending designer printed blouses. So quickly subscribe the channel and just follow the Instagram Rani Talks Tamil channel also, and Instagram Rani Talks Telugu also, and even YouTube Tamil page also. So let's see, I'll just want to share you the blouses. If I want to talk to you for the Punam sarees, printed fancy sarees, I have these kind of sarees are very moving for the Butta printed. If I talk about the Walmiki base, Kalamkari base, only it comes in this particular customized like black, cream and maroon color. This is one of the pattern. If I talk about the casual floral printed designs, I just want to tell you the unique designs. I will show you the kind of blouse materials which are 1.15 and the 44. This I have taken the measurement of this side. So these are all collections. This is the floral running printed for the digital printed, linen motif printed, Madhubani printed, etc. All the digital printed fast moving sarees are very trending, and these blouses also. So you have these kind of blouse. So all the customized blouse materials you can see over here. And if we talk about the Gadwal cotton, Dola cotton and the casual Kota cotton, you have these kind of blouse materials. I have a purple, maroon, mustard, Rani pink, grey, blue. All these are mixed colors. And I want to tell you the Kadak Kota cotton. The Kadak Kota cotton, I have a Chanderi cottons and the Malmal cottons for the Zari borders of the golden or silver butta or the golden and the color shades of the gap borders. You have this of the one of the pattern. So this is also you can purchase, and here all the different designs and the different customized dark contrasted color charts. I need only golden foil printed golden zari borders, and the running casuals you have a dark lavender. This is also one of the pattern. All the golden foil printed, even the golden jerry, the weaving, rapier silk, silk cotton and the Chanderi cotton, these kind of sarees you can go ahead. And if I talk about the silk, rapier silk or silk cotton, the dark contrasted borders come body part. Example, I have a yellow, green, red, rama green, all the traditional colors which will go for the fancy, stunning color charts. And these are soft Kalamkari, animal printed, Walmiki printed, embroidery sarees, these type of sarees. Okay. So every sari you can find out the stunning, elegant, new varieties, and you can stitch based on your style. I have come to now white. Yeah, white is one of the best color which goes for every color. White is a rich, I can say, king of the colors. I can say white goes with every color. So that's why Queen also likes white. Yes, right. Queen also likes. So this is the elephant print. Lovely color. See the cartoon drawing pattern printed. Beautiful, stunning animal printed. So these are all very casuals. So my friends, hope you enjoyed. So these are just 1.15 cut of the blouse bits. So I just want to tell you, please keep supporting, subscribe the channel and let me know what kind of collections you are looking for. And you can support and you can let me in the comments from which city you're watching the video, and if you are based on your requirements you can let me know, and follow the Rani Talks Instagram Tamil Telugu page. And if you have any doubts, so keep supporting and share the link with your resellers, dealers, wholesalers. Next video we'll meet with new more collections and informations. Until then, keep supporting. Take care. Bye bye.